So now we have a Word document. We already have text-to-speech read aloud. So the first line is English, the second line is French, third line is Chinese. Let's read it.
Spring road conditions. Conditions de la route printanière.
So it cannot find the text-to-speech voice for the Chinese version, and also the French version is not pronounced right. Let's see. Google Translate. Let's copy this one and to see its correct pronunciation. Paste. French.
Conditions de la route printanière.
That's correct pronounce. So this one.
Conditions de la route printanière.
It is actually using English to pronounce French. It's not correct. So how to do the multi-language? Let's go to the setting. And from here you can see time and language. Go to region and language, and from here you add a language. We need to add French. See, if you see this logo, that means text-to-speech available. So this one, it don't have text-to-speech. This one, it has. Select one, and click next. Select all, install. It will begin install. Let's select Chinese again. This one also has text-to-speech available. Let's select this one, click next, click install. Okay, now it finished installation, but it changed that language to Chinese. We need to change it back to English. Otherwise, next time you start up, it will show Chinese word, not English. So after you restart the computer, let's try it again.
Spring road conditions. Conditions de la route printanière.
中文
So it cannot recognize the French word if it is at the middle, but it can recognize the Chinese word. So if we copy this one to a new document, what happens?
Conditions de la route printanière.
Now it pronounced correct. So that means Microsoft Office cannot recognize some language is different. So you need to make this language as the first line. It will read correct, for example.
Conditions de la route printanière. 10.
Now it